What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I'm out here in beautiful Fort Collins, Colorado, early in the morning, and I'm gonna be showing you guys a cool little project that our preferred installer put in right here into this house. He mounted a total of 5 TVs. Guys, we do it all. You know, we do high-end home theater, we do distributed audio, we do automation, security, even TV mounting. So if you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related or utilize our services, make sure to reach out today and show your support. All right, guys, let's get in there and check it out. All right, guys, so we're in the house now. I'm gonna try to keep my voice down because the customer's actually upstairs on a Zoom call. But I got our preferred installer here, Tony, and he's just gonna walk you guys through the space and show you everything that was done.
Okay, so here we have a 65-inch LG TV with a matching soundbar, slim mount soundbar, which comes with the TV. And it's a tilt mount. It sits as flush as it can to the wall.
Very nice installation.
And it's on.
So you guys can see our guys are trained to do complex installations such as mounting into veneer stone, even if it's real stone, no matter if it's brick or just standard sheetrock. We got you covered.
So down in the basement, we have a media room with a Sonos setup. We have a Sonos Arc, a Sonos Sub, and 2 Sonos Ones for surrounds.
Nice. So you got a full 5-1.
Yep. So here we have the TV on a tilt mount with a soundbar mount holding up the Sonos Arc. And this is a 85-inch Sony TV.
So this is the Sonos Arc, and the Arc is actually like an Atmos soundbar. What it does, clip my mic on here. What it does is it has some speakers up here that actually fire up towards the ceiling and then bounce down so that it's kind of emulating a height speaker. Obviously, you guys know that we can get you in ceiling speakers and like an AVR and get you the full experience, but if you're wanting something plug and play and again, something that you can take from house to house, this is awesome. Super, super easy. And then you got the sub over here for the low frequency bass and a Sony TV. We do sell all of the products that you see in this home. Okay, you got your one there and your other one up here. Nice little bar. I like the shaker cabinets, and the backsplash looks very classy.
In the gym, we have another TV and 2 Sonos Ones for surrounds, just for distributed audio. So here we have a full motion 75-inch Sony TV. So with this TV, all you need to do is just use your top of the fingertips and it just pulls out nice and simple. And then you can tilt it left, turn it right, turn it left, and also tilt it down if you need to, and push it back. And you see how I don't use much force pushing it back.
Yeah, very smooth. We're passing the mic back and forth. I know on some of my videos recently the audio hasn't been great, so I'm trying to improve it for you guys. So you see these play ones over here that Tony was just talking about in the back corners? That's what I was talking about with the ones in the other room, is they can be utilized as distributed audio or stereo audio like this, but what's really cool with the Sonos platform is you can grab those speakers in that room and pair it together with this room, or have them completely independent. Very flexible.
Okay, so upstairs we have another 2 TVs, one in the master bedroom and another one in the guest bedroom. I have to just check quickly to make sure you can get into them rooms.
Okay.
But before we go into the master bedroom, I installed a Nest thermostat to control the heating and air conditioning for the whole house.
Very nice. Yeah, this is an automated thermostat, guys, so right from your phone, whether you're home or not, you can change your temperature very easily. And there's other things that Nest has to offer, like alarms, security, CO, smoke detectors, all kinds of fun stuff. They even have cameras for like security.
Okay.
And Tony can get all that put in for you.
Okay, so
Hey,
in
guys.
the master bedroom we have another 55-inch TV, which is on a tilt mount again.
Nice.
Okay. And then moving upstairs, hopefully we can get into that bedroom.
All right, the customer was nice enough to pause her Zoom meeting for a minute so that we can show off this last TV that Tony mounted. All right, Tony, here you go.
Perfect. Okay, so this is the guest bedroom, and this is just a 43-inch TV, a Samsung TV, where I had to extend the power up from down below to the back of the TV. And this is another Sanus flush mount, so this gets us the TV as close as possible to the wall as it can.
Looks very good. Well done. All right, guys. Well, that's a wrap on this project right here. And all the TVs were mounted throughout the home. Like I was saying, we do it all, guys. Anything that you need, whether you want to go with full-blown distributed audio and ceiling speakers throughout the entire house, or you want a 5.1 in the living room, or you just want a sound bar, or maybe you want nothing but just the TVs mounted up on the wall. We got you covered here at Dreamedia. All right, guys, that is a wrap on this TV mount walkthrough here in Fort Collins, Colorado, as well as the Sonos equipment. You guys know that we are on a journey to put a home theater into every single house in America, and we can't do it without you guys. Whether it's something as simple as a soundbar up on the wall, or a Sonos 5.1.2 system downstairs, all wireless, or if you want to go full 7.2.6, Focal, JVC projection, the whole 9 yards, we have you covered, guys. We have free consultations. You reach out today, my guys are going to walk through your space and find something that fits your exact needs and budget, and then we're going to connect you with the local pros like Tony here in Fort Collins, who are going to get that put in for you with 5-star work. We're going to be putting out another video where he's really going to talk about how he uses precision and accuracy to make sure that he's delivering the optimal experience to these customers and making sure everything's level, and just, again, back to that 5-star service, making sure that the customers are 100% happy. Well, if you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, we ship throughout the entire nation. And I got preferred installers all the way from the East Coast to the West Coast, and we're building up that network every single day. We really appreciate your support. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.